what's up? This is Kevin with Fast Intentions. I'm here with Jeremiah from EXO. He brought us his Bronco today. We're going to be putting an exhaust system on it. With the guys from EXO, they do a bunch of runs down in Baja, Mexico. We had the privilege of joining him last month for a 4-day expedition through the Baja Peninsula. He's headed right back there after he gets done here. I'm going to let him tell you a little bit about what he does.
Thank you, Kevin. It was great having you guys down last month and actually getting ready to head back south right now. A little bit about EXO. We've been around for about 10 years now, doing off-road expeditions down in Baja, Mexico, mainly in the Ford Raptor space. And when Ford announced the Bronco, we knew we had to start doing some Bronco runs as well. We were really surprised by the initial interest in our first run. I think we had about 10 or 12 trucks going, and we were hoping for maybe 5 on our first one. But yeah, about to go get their exhaust system put on our support Bronco. Heard it down in Mexico on a couple of their rigs. Sounded great. Wanted on mine, so here we are.
Awesome, man. Let's do it.